When it comes to cutting rings on a bowl from a board, everyone asks me where to cut. The right answer is the left corner of your parting tool should split a very thin pencil line with the waist curve just to the right. The previous slide showed a 1/8 inch wide parting tool. We use that for clarity. This is our 3/32 inch P-type parting tool that we supply with all of our Easy Cut from a board system type 2. It's the same. The left corner of the front of the parting tool should just split a very fine line with the saw curve actually being to the right of the line. We're very happy with the results we got in a blank that was 1.5 inches thick. We were using this as we experimented and tested a prototype for thick wood. We got a less than a 1/8 inch overlap, which left plenty of room for final turning. You start the next ring based on the size of the opening in the ring you just cut. For example, if the opening in your ring is 6 inches, then you would cut 6 inches. The way we measure the opening, because it's never usually an even number, is to use a zero centering rule. And what that means is the center of your stainless steel ruler is marked with a zero, an indicator mark, and then it's inch to the right, inch to the left, 2 inches right, 2 inches left, and so on, all the way out to the capacity of the ruler. So place your ring on the ruler until it reads exactly the same amount on each side. Write that number down and take the blank that's left and mark that, placing the center of the rule on the center of your blank. Mark that exact spot, and I usually run a circle all the way around my blank so I can have a good visual guide to start my cut. This is the actual fit we got before we glued up this blank. This particular bowl, the blank was 1.25 inches thick. We were doing some testing with a larger parting tool. I'm Ron Brown. Thanks for watching. Happy turning, and remember, wherever you go, there you are.